Hey guys, don't you feel bad when you look at the dried leaves of the plants? How good it would be if the plants can fetch its own water when it is needed. This is possible with the help of smart irrigation. Smart irrigation is the process in which you measure the moisture of the soil using the soil moisture sensor and then automatically water the plants when the soil goes dry. This is possible with the help of digital technology. Now let us have a look how this works. Now the soil is dry. You can observe this by looking at the values it gives. You can see that the values are now 1023. Let me turn on the motor. When the soil is dry, the water is pumped. When the soil gets wet, you may see that the readings are very much low and the motor has turned off. So this is how smart irrigation works. This is the latest trend in farming technology, and this can help to save a lot of electricity and automate the irrigation process. Now you may see that the flow has reduced and a lot of water is saved because the soil is wet.